Wena mangwana.
Kusukira mangwana. Bani mangwana. Chokoti mangwana, bozi mangwana kusukira panapa. Kusukira mangwana.
Ndakudza Minister of Transport kugadzirisa ma road. Zimbabwe koko. Because pandokuyenda urenda mota but asinofamba kumaguchu.
Waona.
Ndakudza Mr. Bino akutonga nyika kuti dema mbuku wa munkana.
Next month, Serena and Sumba. See you.
Murishuwe.
See you.
Awa maita minus. Awa tufamba pinga. Awa mune magoni. Amana, unaenda upo ni murungu, muchena. Pinga. Awa magona maiskai. Pinga. Agree there ayo. Maita basa maiskai. Magona maiskai. Awa, ini ngoma utakazubata bro.
I repeat my words again and again.
What's good guys? So boy, another day, another dollar. So it's still in the morning and my baba Minaba Angoita all his best. If you wanna get my fresh yakatana, come to Goodwood. Opposite about Bet X up for any bus. But opposite Patoma space. Come and get your fresh nice cuts here. As you can see. Yeah. What's good guys? Welcome back to my channel. Share, subscribe, make channel for more and more. So yeah guys, what's gonna be happening today is like I'm gonna be seeing my friends for the last time, and I'm going to Bellevue to buy tickets to bus. I wanted to use Ndege, but that's not in my cost as necessary because the ticket was cheap from here to Joburg, but the cost as a cost like the bag 20 kgs it was going to cost again Mares Wanda, so it's necessary, understand. So I think it's better for me to just use bus 3 days as an answer from Cape Town to Zimbabwe 3 days, and yeah, so now I'm going to Bellevue to purchase the tickets. Then after that I'm gonna link up with the boys. I'm not stuff. I'm not sure I was supposed to sunga mangwana, and then yeah, I just here maybe do continue kusunga mangwana that even though bus remangwana or nenda kuta zvekusumuka Wednesday, it depends, you understand. So I will let you know kana Bellevue. Right now I'm heading straight to Bellevue, you understand. So stay tuned. Thank you. Here's the passport, and we're out here in Bellevue. At the most famous place here in Bellevue. If you are going to Zimbabwe, mabasa no load rapana papa. And yeah, ndopane chibodi chirapa pane mabasa rapa yesayo, ndopane ma offices abe waya. Intercape, minori mwachina ronzi chiro, Tobela. Then mwachina chiwa toes rakambonetse. Munorurama ne Westway coaches. Panaka kuno ndashanza Westway coaches from Johannesburg to Cape Town. First time coming to Cape Town here, you understand. And I was out here in Bellevue. So yeah, let me go to the offices. As you can see the other people that are preparing to go to Zimbabwe. They are up. So yeah, let me go to my offices. Station. Intercity Express, and then Greyhound. Rapa kavamberi peoffice etamuka apa ndopane office MB Transport apa, you understand. Apo ndopane office Nito yakana ne Kim Ntanaka. Shout out to Kim Ntanaka for doing a free advert, free promo Nito. And then yeah, apa ndopane famous Tamuka coaches office. So let's start from going there and see what is November say. So tenga ticket. Yeah. Shapere. Tatenga ticket racho. Yeah. Here's the ticket. So the boy is ready to go. Do you understand? To those who didn't know, my name is Tabonga. Yebo. So you guys now ndakwenda nodzorora mota iyi kumuridzo wayanga ra ku Phoenix. and I'm on a petrol. Let's just do with petrol trimondo shika. Na peso za fuel is rojiba. Ma farms bye bye Stellenbosch. You never go on a vlog you. And let's just do it as a do not shika because I don't want to put petrol there. Because a petrol man is to see how much any petrol. You like to race in. She going. Vaizia. Mariano does a petrol got to say Uber be kutsogera kumba. So now I don't zogera kumba and here's the ticket. Let me show you. Here's the ticket nyana. Mungazoverenga ma details. And it's no zvinopera sei. You understand? So stay tuned. Gedodzorora mota ine kumudzi wayo. And ndapedza ndoita Uber by then. Ndo wacha ndomira team kuti mixing team. So yeah, let's go. So yeah, life is fun. This is gonna be my last day of driving in South Africa, in South. And this is gonna be my last day to drive in a very nice road like this one. It's funny, right? You know, in Zimbabwe, I'm on a road gonna one freeway. In Zimbabwe, unongoona ma roads nezvimakomba manje. This one is called the freeway. Those who have never visited another countries, you can see the very nice, wonderful road. Abandona petrol. Travel time to M5 is 5 minutes. You know what you go? 9 minutes. My minutes are saro to pate paningo road. You know what you udzwa. Kana pane traffic unoudzwa kuti kubva pana apo nobara road unotera uchata ma minutes akati. Inenge chikudza ma roads, wena ma road signs. Look how nice these roads are. You know the freeway. Mutemo muno I1 do not queue. Look at the view. Look at the view. When I was in Zim, I used to wonder kuchibvunza kuti inda vanogadzira mota vakagadzira mota dzisvika kuma 208 kuma 2G munosvikika munomu. Right now I'm not even speeding. Ndutofamba lola nditori mulende pakati lende right door nomhanya because kunenge traffic. I'm not even speeding. Ndiri 100 andika. Ndiri wire anditi. Right. If I was speeding, chero kona ndira petrol man. Let me speed a little bit one. Plus mota chino chakaita se chakafa. If I was speeding, dashboard road around 180. Look now. Now I'm 140. I'm not even speeding at all. Aba chino got petrol unozokumza upera. Let me come to this lane. You see, chika, if I'm in 140, motor pamberi pangu iri kufamba chi. Motor pamberi pangu definitely iri 180 to 200. You see, muno mu South Africa can even be overtaken iri 180 or iri 200. So, you show what the fuck? Yo, South Africa, I'm gonna miss this country, bro. Like, yo, for you, look at how nice the roads are. But anyways, gezogera kumusha kwedu kumakomba you see, yakutokudzapa kuti Cape Town N1 ndambori straight 3 lanes side, then irekuko kutena kwenda ku Cape Town International Airport. Nokudza saka lane ro 1 2 3 ari kupfuura mberi, then rechi4 iro ruko rakutotena kule so. Munorasisa futi kachakashatira freeway ukarasika unofara kuzotena after ma kilometers futi hando zvamunorwadzirwa futi. You guys, you did not tell me down in the comment section that I'm looking so cute and fresh. You guys, you should stop being jealous. Yes, guys, here's my ticket, ready to fire. What's good? You should be so boy better than us good. Yo guys, Dexter, we are guys. You know, I was telling you I'm waiting for my G's to see my G's for the last time. You understand? And so far for Dexter, Tabana Dexter, Banabata, not Saziso, Tabon Saziso, I'm sure you're gonna go Moganatana to seek him. So you guys stay tuned. And I'm so excited, and at the same time I'm so sad also that I'm seeing my G's for the last time. But yeah, I have to go, man, go back home and fix the country. You understand? Young drip check. So this is my 22,500 rands Gucci, as you can see, it's original. And then this 1.5 short, and yeah, of course, expensive kicks. Let's get it. Oh yo, I'm gonna YouTuber. Mkomana we STI. Mkomana we ST. Badi. Skala. Skala. How are you? Are you okay? Maskandra pa mse. Aba mda kuzaona kuti chi. Interest baba sekuru. So guys, rekati munoona ziso. Ndaona chimanyiswa nika gadza kaloti ngizikantambira ma US. Anzi wapaka pa gate.
Pananga chiridza ridza kuti kumechire kwangu sanda.
Nakupa mwa kumanyisira nyenu zishi. Ma line. Sky.
Shaka ndotozongogaya kuti ndingabvinda. Ndakurizana naye.
Awa safe. But then mudara nayo jamba.
Abaninga kurumidza ushota rimwe shoti majaza takangana kuti anochinja mabiyasi.
Wise manje akarelaxa anokanganwa exactly.
Anozotangidza inenge yakutanga start over.
Waona manje. Hapana pa parubuda ka view kakapenga chamwa. Oyo pirori. Regondo baba. Munungo jikasadza makutora kuti mavhesi. Sando yepapo. Others wadi. Boy Regondo baba. Ish apa muda ka view kakanaka chamwa. Yo. So guys, I'm out here with the gang. You understand? Out here with the gang. Vakakasanyika. No, dara mukadzi apodwa musoro kamukatumba. Pakashata. Mahora. Inini ashaza nazo ndakatenga puti dono kudashura mumwe munhu musoro. Vana kuronga skit. Nema connectors adonza magezi umaisa banzi. Connectors don't play papa. Right. This is basta. So you ndakagara panapa. Make sure you check it out on my TikTok. Press yay. Like my bro. Yeah. According creators for the people. You understand? Let's just keep. Ha. So you guys, make sure you check out this skit on TikTok. Let's get it. I do but what they say question. I do but what they say question. Yeah, question is crazy, boys. Asa chibaba. Asa serious. It doesn't believe for could make clip for the joke idea. What that bed it's like alright. Water. Mana Tananga kwa Tanaka. Agara ni mzukuru wangu. Coco melon. Takaenda kwa Tanaka man. Now we are at the garage. Oyo. Regondo.
Wagwan over there. So.
Yeah. Me good, me brother. Amana, please watch my ads, Amana. All the one watch my ads, Amana. Pay robas.
Amana, 200 euro my ads.
Go pay Sarah. Exactly. What would say? Chato kumbirao. Chato chichemo. It's like
send us your account number. We go send you money.
Exactly. You go watch the adverts. Yeah, we go send your money. Yeah, na Coco melon. Coco. How are you?
Aripo Coco.
Achona makatuni zake. So guys, takumela kwa Tanaka. Now we garage. And we catch you later kana fika zeta se. Kana singe chashike Coco zvabuda. So stay tuned. So guys, tafika, you understand? Tafika pa Munyonga baba. Amunyonga mboto asiya bia. But duraramba kusika. Tunayo moto de YouTube. Ndatosha msiko kana. Flying fish. I don't know living life. Ziso. Living life the duty muno. Nimbamba YouTube wandaka inspire. Wewe. YouTuber wangu, my student. Guys, join my course. Look at my student. Now he's living life. Nakatotu shaya sha. Nakatotu shaya. Ah, but don't talk to you, sir.
Only can now shika mno.
Kimaya. Magite hizo baba. Ndakutoba pazimu. Joni sare mega ndimu kugara mudzimba. Ndimu kugara mahouses. Swangu tugara mudzimba. Tugara mudzimba. Tugara mudzimba. Mutama ivhu mazo rangu inondijera. Malindo dandi ngaro ndipata. Ma 2 minutes.
Akazara mfoni shawara rumu ngacho.
Aitamira posira ndakaisa. Rume.
Ngawadi ngupa yani. Ndio katsaya na sira kibweka nini.
Ayo ndizika ndawina ndiye ntanga. Ende toka ndabona tamba. Iyo kana wapenga chongo tamba jeje. Noise.
Mumoyo mangu kere ta 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 ta.
Uyu apple.
Apa sisi? Pero atata. Ngazibata kuti chimboisa timboona. Nendo izia. Chete mbono apa Rolling Stones.
Update wa lero na kuruwa 66.
Wajuma. 66 wasiyo.
Na uriza.
Wajuma yo.
Madividi. Ukawa wakatu.
Ana Jackson. Mene makakura mtamba tsoro. Kala wakutwa tumogo tuko mumboto. Kala sasa tusika 100 ngini. Right. Amana ndakwenda asiso. Muda kudzaona kuti chisa daro apa Zimbabwe.
Ndoke pesira kukuona.
Ko vamunyonga.
Wenda mangwane.
Sikira mangwana. Bani mangwana. Tokoti mangwana, bozi mangwana sikira panapa. Sikira mangwana. Muda kudzaona kuti chisa.
Saba uneno dzimba Zimbabwe.
Kumusha.
Ndoda kudza Minister of Transport kugadzirisa road. Zimbabwe koko. Kozi panduku yada urenda mota bati atinofamba kumaguchu.
Muda koenda. Yes. Ko vanhu vanguda kodza kuti chiva siri minister.
Gawa like my video chiko guys.
Waona manje.
7000 views ne 200 likes.
Azvibude.
Ayo.
Waona manje.
Waona. Ndakudza Mr Bino akutonga nyika kuti dema mboko wa munkana.
Ndopota bekimaya ndotana kuti chi.
Preza kudzoka next month saka nansumbaba
See you. Muri shuwe.
See you.
Awa maitaba maini.
Zungudze chiboy.
Ndoyana.
Ndikuloka mgodi.
Ndoyanawo. Maini ndotana kuti chi. Mukuda mgodi. Ndoyanawo. Ndotana kuti chi. Awa tofamba zvakanaka. Amana kutambana notambura. Koma. Shit. Awa makima kumari zacho. Vedue. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching today. Bye, Kima. So guys, thank you guys for watching the video to the end. Now takunanga madend tatipa gate, as you can see tafurwa gate na anunzani na malaicha wicked. Anunzani ete mahobo nafukanetana wedu vananga zviso tavhurwa namahobo Saka at the bully get security. Who is talking about TikTok here? Bully get the driver. I want the bully get the driver. I saw the security. So guys, thank you for watching the video. And please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel for more and more good understand. Now we're going home. We can't tell you where we are, but Dream Cape Town, Adiga. Kirimum Kappa. Secret private location. Aiwa, atikutanuni hiyo usajepere wapi? True Googs Andika. Kunopisa kwacho.
Nakoti tanunu wapi maza tukenda Google.
Like Googs. Kailicha.
Google Kailicha.
Yes. Hata record this tikori muchimbero pisa. Mna namba afa. Sezo tuba kunona namba afa.
Gangster kuna makaradi.
Vese maresi zesarimo. So guys, thank you for watching to the end. Please like, comment, share. Amana tukuone umana ndaenda umana. Zim. Utera umana. Utera nini? Gangster. Ile ni tukuone umana. Takumanya kunona my sky. That's why kumana just pay attention. My sky la vari kupopota zvesu. Vangafara unotorwa na 6 zvesu is past 10. Tia guys.
Wakatoshia.
Maize. Tukuone amana. Tango. Only get the driver.
No, kusimama
Only get the security. No fun. Yes. Driver wana kuturaya. Muchiko.
Iwaera ndisikana tomumanya.
Hey. Driver of the year, baba. Designated driver. Our driver had experience. Driver had experience. Pinga. Awa mune magoni. Amana, unaenda upone murungu, muchena. Pinga. Awa magona ma sky. Pinga. Agree rayo. Maita basa ma sky. Yey. Eish, amanda po amarestiers. Awa maita basa ma sky. Uzeva ni YouTube yenyu go subscribe. Inonzishi. Baskai. YouTube yenyu inonzishi.
Dixon Tanya.
Awa gendi go isaba screen bana.
Na baby sky.
Andika. Awa magona mana. Thank you for watching. Wena yako mana. Kuba. Ngoma umeita basa ngoma. Salute. My sky. Kuna. Awa ipapo panenda ku Zimbabwe ndina account. Ku Zimbabwe ko ndina account.
Condomize.
Maita bo my sky.
Tati condomize.
Ini ngoma utakazubata bro.
I repeat my words again and again.
I didn't repeat the nyika ngoma. Maita basa. Tona na manda. Mama mabo. Ini bo tona na maita bo. Sharp. So guys, ndaba kudropa ne Dixon Tanya. Thank you to them. So yeah, Tango, see you by the next big vlog. I bet guys that thank you for watching the video till the end. Please like, comment, share, subscribe my YouTube channel for more and more content. Wait for the big vlog coming soon. Maybe Kuskwera Mangwana if you're watching this from Cape Town to Zimbabwe by bus and by road. Do good day guys. Cheers to more subscribers, to more views. Tango.